alleged fraud by officials working in the Sassa offices. They are there accused of collusion. This is the result of a long-standing police investigation. Linda is there. I wonder if he can narrate for us, but he did share with us earlier on that this was going to be brewing. So what you're seeing there is the arrest of officials at the Sassa offices in the Johannesburg CBD who are facing allegations of internal fraud and corruption when it comes to Sassa grants. It is a serious, serious allegation. Police say that this is only the beginning, and this crackdown, this rooting out of allegedly corrupt officials is going to continue. People taking money for a whole series of benefits and so on, and issuing cards to people who don't legitimately deserve them, are not entitled to them. And we have seen the impact on this even globally when you think of it collectively, just the billions and billions of rands that it means in terms of a bill for the state. So these are the arrests that we were talking to you about earlier that police are making there in the Johannesburg CBD.